That was another thing that I liked about Lifter is that you could make coupons. I made out 20 early bird coupons and for like half off. I had it like $9.97. So when you put in the coupon, it dropped you down to $4.97. You're in the course. You can learn and everything like that at your leisure. And it's mobile friendly. So I was like, man, you can eat cookies in the bed and still learn something from me. Then I started getting in reports and stuff from other people. It's like, man, so-and-so's got a course over here and they're charging $7,000 for it. And I'm like, whoa, I've really been shortchanging myself. This opens up everything. Another thing I liked about Lifter on that same vein of thought was, I was like, okay, it's time to move forward with my next phase of my plan. So I changed up my sales page. I don't see a lot of people talking about marketing enough in the course space. It's a very important factor. You can have a great course, but you can't get anybody to it. You're never going to sell anything. You need to get that hammered out. But once I went on ahead and decided I was going to go up in price, I was like, okay, the coupons are gone. Everything is going up in price. And it was so easy with Lifter to where I could go to my back end and eliminate one of my sales options, the access plan. So I had a payment plan. I was like, that's gone. Going on ahead and up in the price. And it literally took seconds for me to do that. And people were just like, okay, we're here. And I'm like, okay, cool. Now we're rocking and rolling along and everything. And I did well at $500. But then when I went on ahead and up the price to $2,000, nobody batted an eyelash or anything like that. It was still a great option.